Hello children, welcome back to online class. So in previous class, all of you have learnt about the chicken. All of you have knew the answers of chicken proceeds, and you knew the new things about our bones, and you knew that how doctors look at your fracture bone, check your fracture bone, and how at the time of birth how many bones are there to a newborn. And like here, if your body does not have enough calcium, it will take it from your bones, making your bones weaker. So like this you have learned so many things. Today we are going to do the exercise of the skeletal system lesson. Okay children, so let us go. So first one, which of these statements is incorrect? Incorrect means wrong. Which of these statement is wrong? First one, skeleton gives shape to our body. Skeleton is not very flexible. Skeleton contains a jelly-like substance called the bone marrow. Skeleton consists of only skull. So if we will see the first line, it is correct. Skeleton gives shape to our body. Yes, this line is correct. Second one, skeleton is not flexible. Yes, skeleton is not flexible because it is hard and rigid. Third one, skeleton contains a jelly-like substance called the bone marrow. Yes, but fourth one, skeleton consists of only skull. It is wrong. That's why this sentence is incorrect. Okay, this sentence is incorrect because skeleton not only consists of skull, it consists of other body parts, bone parts also. Second question, joint that allows the movement in all direction is called which joint children? Which joint? It is your first one, ball and socket joint. Okay, which joint allows movement? It is ball and socket joint. It allows movement in all directions. Now the forearm consists of dash bones. Our forearm consists of how many bones? It consists of only 3 bones. Your forearm consists of 3 bones. Wait, I will show you the picture of forearm. Forearm consists of 3 bones. Look at here. It is radius, ulna and humerus. This forearm consists of these 3 bones. This statement is correct. Okay children, so you just need to put tick at 3. This one is correct. Next, now we will see the question number 4. The 3 kinds of muscles in our body are dash. So what are the 3 kinds of muscles children? Lung, heart and skeletal, cardiac, smooth and bicep, or skeletal, smooth and cardiac, or lung, smooth and cardiac. Which will be the answer? The answer is skeletal, smooth and cardiac. Number C. Okay, the 3 kinds of muscles in our body are skeletal, smooth and cardiac. These are the kinds of muscles which is in our body. Okay, question number 5. The position of our body while sitting, standing or lying down is known as dash. So when we sit, stand and lie down, what should be our position children? As I told you, it is, we have to put good posture. Then here we can easily say the answer is posture. Posture. Okay, the position of our body while sitting, standing or lying down is known as posture. Now we will go to the next one. Look at here, we have to find these statements are true or false. Okay, let us see the first number. Our skull is made up of 31 fixed bones. Is this statement true children? Our skull is made up of 31 fixed bones. No, it is not true. Already I have written false here. So this statement is false because our skull is not made up of 31 fixed bones. It is made up of only 21 fixed bones. That's why this statement is false. Okay. So second question, vertebrae join together to form a strong column called ribs. This statement is also false because when vertebrae join together to form a strong column called backbone. What? Backbone. Okay. So this statement is also false. So already false is written here. Next one. Rib cage protects our heart and lungs. Is this statement true? Yes. Rib cage. Our rib cage protects our heart and lungs. Next question. Pivot joint is found between skull and neck. The joint which helps our skull to move upward, downward and side. This joint is found between skull and neck. This statement is also true. Next, last one. Skeletal muscles are the only muscles that we can control. As I told you, skeletal muscle is the only muscle which we can control. Okay, children? Because these skeletal muscles are also called voluntary muscles which we can control. That involuntary or smooth muscle and cardiac muscle we cannot control. These are the only muscles, skeletal muscle or voluntary muscle. These muscles are found in where, children? These are found in our limbs. Running, walking, jumping are voluntary actions. Okay. Now this statement is also true. Now we will go to the next one, that is fill in the blanks. The backbone is made up of 33 small ring shaped bones called dash. Our backbone is made up of 33 small ring shaped bones. As before I had shown you the picture of backbone also, children. So you just remember it. Our backbone is having 33 small ring shaped bones which bones is called vertebrae. What? Vertebrae. Wait, I am zooming it. It is called vertebrae. 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 Okay. After that, next question. Dash is the longest bone in our body. Dash is the longest bone in our body, children. It is none other than, that is femur. What? Femur. Okay. This femur is also called our thigh bone. Okay. So this thigh bone is the longest bone in our body. Thigh means, you know, in Odia it is jongho. So in the thigh bone is the longest bone in our body. Third question. Strong fiber which helps the muscles to attach the bones is called dash. From starting we are reading that bones and muscles are attached with the strong fiber. It is called tendons. What? Tendons. That gummy type substance, that is tendon. Tendons. Tendons. Okay. Fourth one. Dash muscle is an involuntary muscle that forms the wall of the heart. Our heart walls are formed by what? Which type of muscle, children? We can easily say that it is cardiac. Cardiac. Cardiac muscles. What? Cardiac muscles. Okay. Next one. Knees, elbows and fingers have dash joints. Knees means antu, elbows means kohuni and fingers means anguthi. Have dash joints. Which type of joints, children? It is hinge joint. You can see in book also as given in the skeletal picture, joints picture. Knees, elbows and fingers have hinge joints which allows movement of bones in only one direction. Hinge, hinge, which allows the movement of bones in one direction. Okay, children? So we have done our exercise part. In next class I will give you the question and answers and I will explain you, okay, so that you will understand and learn the complete skeletal system part. Next time you will not feel any difficulty related to it. Okay children, all of you just remember this exercise and write it in your notebook. In next class I will give you the question and answers also, and I will explain you too. Okay, have a good day.